Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 109 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're doing the other side headlight and putting the bulbs in. So that's always nice to play with some electrics. We have the Og Couple, episode 109 from December the 21st, 1967. Almost Christmas. Egghead has big plans. He's got a big head as well, but there we go. It's the one where Batgirl is frozen in a vat of caviar. I don't know, that's unpleasant. But there we go. Batty Batmite appears in this 1959 comic. Very strange. I don't know about that. Yeah. In Batman 22 Part 2, sorted miniseries and extended storylines with Robin and Batman. It doesn't sound right that way round, does it? The World's Finest, Batman versus Robin. Yeah, all good stuff there. So this is what we've got. It's the mirror image of what we had last time. So we're putting that together in there, then fitting that in that and the grill, but then we're fitting the bulbs. I've already unplugged cable D in anticipation, but we're basically just going to plug the bulbs into the bits there and have the wire coming out the back ready for a reinsertion back together when we get it all together again. So let's clear this out of the way and get to it. So here we go with all of these bits again now. We are good to go. We've got to put the lens into the bulb with, again, the cut-out piece around there. And then that onto there. There is actually one bigger than the other. I just got it lucky last time round when I got it the right way around. But that goes together like that. Good. Then we're going to need 2 of these for that bit. And 3 for the other. So I've got out 1 too many. Put that back in there. It's 3 for that, 2 for that, and 2 of these for the bulb assembly to be held in place. And it's all being held in place as ever, as before. Onto here. I've got the bulbs ready to go as well. So let's get that in there. That's, again, got to go round and onto there like that. And these 2 screws hold that grill in place. If I can get that screw on the screwdriver, makes life much easier. There we go. Then these 2 screws, once again, getting that on the right way around so the bits fit over the posts. That one in there, that one in there. And then, same as last time, the grill fits onto the front like that. And I haven't put that screw in yet. That grill in there with 3 screws. One at the top and one in each corner at the bottom. If I can get that in the right place. There we go. One and that one. I've got 2 there. Don't need 2 more. Got an extra one out again. No, that screw didn't go in there properly. That's why that's an extra one. Let's try that again. Let's get that in there. Try that one more time in this corner down here. That feels better. Right, so let's turn this back over. Let's get that one back in there now. There we go. I'll get them all tightened up in a minute. But first of all, let's fit these on here. We've got a long and a short side. This side has the long one. So that just plugs into the back there. A bit like that. The short one goes in this side. There, a bit like that. A bit further in a minute. And then these wires are going to be routed around, but not quite yet, because the plug will end up just around there. So there we go, another issue done. Wonder what we're going to do next time. Join me in a couple of days to find out. Thanks for watching, stay safe. Bye bye for now.